Hi guys, it's Janet Wakeland with RemarkablyCreated.com. In today's really fast one-take wonder video, I want to show you two new products that are debuting in the holiday catalog September 5th, 2018. And those products are these really sweet foil-edged gold and silver note cards. You get 20 note cards in envelopes per pack. You've got your gold and your silver. And what's great about these is how quick and easy it allows you to make an elegant foil-edged card just with designer series paper. So let's take a look at a few ideas that I've started playing with. And, well, we'll start with this one even though it doesn't have the piece edged on it. So this one here, we took a piece of our frosted floral designer paper and we cut it down to 4 inches by 5 1/4. You could cut it down slightly smaller. It just depends on how much of a gold foiled edge that you want around it. We went ahead and die cut silver with our stitched season framelits that are available only until August 31st. So you definitely want these in your collection. And then with gorgeous grape, we went ahead and we cut out the word thank you. And then that easy, we're going to have a note card. And what's nice is you've got this edge here, but yet it's all white on the inside for your message. You can stamp your greeting quickly and easily. So that foil edge makes it really nice to have that elegant card. This one I'm trying to decide. I'm trying to go for some kind of a little bit of an industrial look. But here again, you can see that foil. Cut that down and you lay it on, and then just that quickly you have a beautiful edge around your card. And then again, just did the thank you in silver. This one here, I grabbed a piece of our Broadway bound designer series paper and chose the matte finish side. And you can see the silver around it. You've got your black circle and your happy birthday. Now, can you touch these up a whole lot more than that? Could you, add ribbon? Could you add little enamel shapes and dots? Absolutely. But just that quick and easy with a piece of, 4 inch by 5 1/4 designer paper and 2 die cut elements, you have a sweet greeting card. So that's something that can go together fast. Just to show you the, gold, and this is the flip side. Half the paper's there, so you've got that gold on gold. Put a little tag down in the corner, and then it's going to be layered with the word happy birthday. Again, really, really, really fast. This one gives you a sneak peek of another fun product coming. This print, can you see that? It's our tin foil embossing folder. And in this case, I went ahead and just used a sponge dauber to add some ink colors. And then I used the sponge dauber again to add a little bit of Versamark and emboss them just to shade all of that. And then this one, got a little bit of soft suede to bring out that distressing. And then we'll end up with the greeting, you're amazing. Okay. So before we get to that one, let's put that one off to the side here for just a second. We've got a holiday card here. And we've got our greetings. We've got some amazing new die cuts coming in the catalog. So I'm going to take this little piece out. Merry. And we've got the word Christmas. Finish popping all the little pieces out. So again, with just a piece of designer series paper and the die cuts, you could make a really sweet and fast Christmas card. And again, because you're not having to do a white note card and then the actual gold foil paper and then the designer paper, you have a little bit less weight. So it's really, really, really nice. So let's take a look at this one here together. And this one is another of our beautiful designer papers. Isn't that gorgeous? And look what the gold foiling does to that. And then this one, can you see the extra shimmer? I added Wink of Stella to the balls that had glitter on them. And for this one, you have your gold circle. Again, framelits. And then we die cut in gold, and I need to just pop out my little elements. But you've got your happy holidays. Look how festive that card is. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, it just looks rich and elegant. So then let's go ahead and we'll finish this card here together. So we've got one again that's gold foil. Another one of my favorite papers, the Petal Promenade, because it just looks so real. If I held that up to the camera, you could feel like you could smell them. It looks like you're just diving into a bouquet of fresh flowers, doesn't it? Isn't that amazing? So we have this one handy. And let me grab my adhesive. Oh, you know what? I'm not going to put my adhesive on just yet. Hang on a second. So we have this element here, and I have a piece of vanilla. And I'll show you where this has a coordinating framelit and stitches, and that's where this came from. Right here. This is the die cut. You've got all your different little frames that are part of that. And so what we're going to do, we'll set that aside for just a second. Let's grab our stamp, and I hope that the stamp fits. It might be a little bit big for what I was thinking, so I may not have planned this very well. Oh, nope, it's going to fit. Okay, phew. I was a little nervous thinking, oh my gosh, maybe I didn't plan this. Just gave my secret away. Sometimes I have the cards fully finished and I've actually tested them out, and sometimes I have enough of the elements that I know it's going to work. Haven't failed yet, totally. So we'll see. I'm stamping in Mossy Meadow to bring out the greens in the bouquet. And let's flip it over. And I've used the corner rounder to round those edges. And we're just going to slide that in so that it's layered on there. I'm going to take some of our metallic edged ribbon and we're going to just feed it through and out the other side. Maybe. There we go. maybe. Okay, guys. It's like I'm threading a needle here. And let's just get a feel for how much I need to make a nice bow. And bow making is not my forte. So let's put that down now that we have it, and I want the bow to come up on this side. And in this case, I'm going to put some adhesive down to hold it as I bring it across. And then I can go ahead and I can adhere it to my card front. Bring this up to the side. And I left it long on because I can refuss with that bow afterwards. How many of you play with your bows? Have you ever like kind of kept tightening and trimming down the end until you are too short to play with it and then you got to start all over again? Yeah, that's me and bows. So you've got a beautiful, quick, simple card here. Again, just by using those gold foil note cards. And those are going to be available beginning on September 5th in the holiday catalog. And the holiday catalog is this catalog right here. And if you do not have a demonstrator in the United States that you work with, I would love to provide you with a complimentary catalog. And if you're also new to Stampin' Up! And you don't have our annual catalog, make sure that when you reach out to me using any of the links below in the description, that you request both catalogs, and I can send both of them to you as a complimentary gift. So you guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you, and make sure you visit me over at remarkablycreated.com. I'll be populating my blog with these finished samples as I finish them up. Thanks, guys.